How do you know if you need restoration? Maybe you have lost your joy in serving God. Maybe your peace has been replaced by anxiety. Maybe your passion for prayer has faded, your hope has grown weak, or you have been carrying disappointment for so long that you accepted it as normal. Sometimes life doesn't just leave us tired, it leaves us feeling broken. That's when we need God's restoration. So, what does restoration mean? Biblically, restoration is more than getting back what was lost. It is God repairing what has been broken, renewing what has become weak, and bringing His purpose out of what seemed ruined. God's restoration often leaves us stronger, wiser, and more dependent on Him than we were before. That's the beauty of God's restorative power. He doesn't simply patch up our lives, He transforms them. Look at Job. He lost his children, his health, and his possessions. Yet he refused to let go of God. In the end, God restored Job, blessing him beyond what he had before. Job's restoration wasn't just about receiving more, it was about knowing God more deeply through his suffering. Think about Naomi. She returned to Bethlehem saying, "Call me Mara," because her life had become bitter after losing her husband and sons. But God wasn't finished with her story. Through Ruth's faithfulness and Boaz's kindness, God restored Naomi's hope, her family, and her joy. What Naomi thought was the end became the beginning of God's greater plan. And consider Peter. After denying Jesus 3 times, he was filled with shame. But after the resurrection, Jesus met Peter with grace instead of condemnation. He restored him and gave him purpose: feed my sheep. Peter's failure became the testimony of God's restoring power. Joel 2:25 gives this incredible promise, and I will restore to you the years that the locust hath eaten. Only God can restore years. Only God can take wasted time, painful experiences, broken relationships, and shattered dreams and weave them into His purpose. So, how do we receive God's restoration? Come to Him with humility, repent where needed, trust His timing even when restoration isn't immediate. Stay faithful in prayer. Remain in His Word and believe that God is still working, even when you can't yet see the results. If you need restoration today, don't lose hope. The God who restored Job, Naomi, and Peter is the same God who is working in your life. His power is greater than your pain. His grace is greater than your failure. And His plans are greater than your past. What God restores, He restores with purpose. Trust His restorative power because He is not finished with your story.